Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Sierra All-Terrain. This is based off the SLT trim with the All-Terrain package. Finished in Onyx Black, it looks killer. Of course, this is the platform mate to the Silverado Z71. And it just looks the part. Good amount of back seat room. Nice GMC all-weather floor mats. Automatic windows. And a really nice interior. I love this faux carbon fiber seat trim as well as the red stitching throughout. Got your trailer brake, gain, output. It's pretty cool. Four-wheel drive. Have your child locks. Set your memory seats. Put it into tow haul mode. And let's hit the road. This has the 5.3 liter V8. And I'm pretty sure it has the performance package, which adds a cold air intake and a catback exhaust. Because this sounds unlike any other Sierra I've driven. Well, not completely unlike, because of course it's the same motor, but it's definitely louder. I'm going to try a little bit of a different route this time. See, I like this road because it's like a nice suburban road, something you'll find pretty much in every town here in the United States. Then we move on to a more busy kind of main road with a 45-mile-an-hour speed limit, then onto highway. Works out pretty well, and I think I'm going to use this loop for a good amount of time. Put it into neutral here, give it a little rev. You can hear it just sounds the part. So where that white SUV is where I normally come out of for my routes, but I don't like taking that unprotected left, especially when the window sticker is on the passenger side window. Just a little bit of visibility issues, rather wait at the light and then make sure we're clear to go. definitely like this route a little bit more now. Overall, I mean, this is a phenomenal truck. Really, really comfortable, and it only has 31,000 miles, which is really, really good for this year. So you know what? Not sure if you can notice, I doubt you can on camera, but the gauges have that same faux carbon fiber trim that's here on your door sills and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.